Leading us off at 4:30, the ACLU says about 50 districts across the state have yet to comply with the Crown Act by updating dress and grooming policies in the school districts.
Yeah, the organization says it's been nearly a year since the Crown Act, which bans race-based hair discrimination, became law in Texas. They're asking schools to act before the upcoming school year. Katira Winfrey is live with this story. Katira.
Well, Lynn and Mia, the ACLU started sending out those letters asking schools to update its policy just yesterday. Already, they say multiple have responded, saying they are fixing it now or say it was simply an oversight. However, one district still not on their list, Barbers Hill ISD. In a letter sent out to 50-plus districts, the ACLU writes, "We write with concerns that the provisions in your school district's 2023-2024 dress and grooming code appear to violate Texas' Crown Act."
We've already heard from a small handful of districts already pledging to make changes.
The Crown Act passed on September 1st, 2023. Chloe Kempf is an attorney for the ACLU of Texas and says districts will often revisit their dress code policy during the summer.
We should all be urging our lawmakers to pass additional protections that make dress codes even more fair.
Missing from its list of non-compliance is Barbers Hill ISD. The ACLU says while it's monitoring the district, in February a judge ruled the Crown Act does not affect Barbers Hill's boys-only hair length policy. Last year, student Daryl George and his family challenged the district.
We maintain that policy is discriminatory.
In a previous statement, Barbers Hill ISD said the Texas legal system has validated our position that the district's dress code does not violate the Crown Act. State Representative Ron Reynolds says former Barbers Hill student DeAndre Arnold is part of the driving force behind his advocacy. Wearing locks prevented him from walking at graduation.
He is now a senior at LSU, a future doctor veterinarian. He was proudly wearing his locks.
While he's grateful to the districts vowing to make the updates, there's more work to do.
We hope that all these districts will comply.
And Representative Reynolds says it's important to point out the late Congresswoman Sheila Jackson Lee's commitment to the Crown Act, calling her a staunch supporter who'd been working to get it passed at a federal level. Back to you.
With the very latest from the ACLU, Katira Winfrey, thank you.